The Ulti Roll Entry is the future. Designed specifically as a compact high-speed door for narrow pedestrian doorways or hallways, the Ulti Roll Entry is simple, quiet, and hygienic, outperforming traditional hinged and sliding doors every time. With fast operating speeds and a simple one-touch control button, the Ulti Roll Entry is super easy and convenient to use. Upgrading to touchless control makes the Ulti Roll Entry ideal for hygiene-sensitive environments, eliminating the transfer of bacteria that would normally occur on traditional door handles, and maximizing productivity in your workplace. For ultimate hygienic and sanitary operation, an optional germicidal UVC lamp can also be applied to the door hood, destroying airborne bacteria, viruses, and molds, making it the perfect choice for office or hospital facilities. The innovative, ultra-compact design of the Ulti Roll Entry includes low-profile side frames and compact header with integrated brushless motor and control panel. This means the Ulti Roll Entry uses significantly less floor area and wall space than traditional hinged and swing doors, making it the smarter, future-proof solution. The Ulti Roll Entry is durable and low maintenance. In the event of an accidental impact, the curtain unzips from the side guides, preventing damage to the door. Auto refeed slots allow the curtain to reinsert itself in the guides and continue operating without any hassle or downtime. The Ulti Roll Entry is also highly customizable, optional curtain printing to promote your brand, and increased signage in the workplace. Should you ever need to relocate the door or change the curtain design, the Ulti Roll Entry's plug-and-play design makes it easy to move the whole unit or simply replace the curtain. Visit ultigroup.co.nz to find out more about our door systems, or reach out to one of our experienced team on 0800 807 753. We're Ulti Group, protecting what matters.